Hi, enthusiastic learners. Welcome back. Long time no see, huh? Let's pick up where we left off, shall we? Step 51. Since both coffees and desserts have same text alignment properties, we can add both selectors in a single CSS rule. So let's add another selector called dessert class to the flavor class. Step 52. We don't just sell donuts, we got cherry pies, cheesecakes, and cinnamon rolls too. All for reasonable prices. So let's add the rest of the dessert items to our menu. Do you remember the smart work called copy pasting? Yes, that's right. Go ahead and copy the first article and paste it 3 times more. You just gotta change the dessert names with their respective prices. Step 53. As you can see, the menu content and the sides got no space in between. We can give various kinds of padding properties to our menu, but firstly, let's add padding on the left and right with the value as 20 pixels on each side. Step 54. So right and left sides of the menu looks far better now. Let's add the same 20 pixels of padding on the top and bottom too. Step 55. Since the padding property has the same value on all 4 sides, why to write it 4 times right? Let's just use single padding property with the value as 20 pixels, which applies on all 4 sides by default. Step 56. The current width of the menu will always take up 80% of the body element's width. The preview on the side is the small screen view. If I stretch it, the items and their respective prices will appear far from each other. To prevent it from growing too wide apart, let's add a max width property to the menu class with a value of 500 pixels. Step 57. The text you are looking at has the default font style of your browser. We can change all the font style of the body by adding a font family property with the value as sans serif. It's a common font and very readable. Step 58. It's such a boring font style. For now, let's keep majority of the text as sans serif and different font style for H1 and H2 headings. Let's style H1 and H2 elements using a single selector and add font family with the value as impact. Well, that left a big impact on me and the headings. Step 59. Let's say if the font family impact is not found available on our browser or any our user's browser, we need to add another font family as a fallback value, just like a backup plan or plan B. So our fallback font would be serif, just in case. Step 60. Now it's the time to change font style of our Camper Cafe's established date. Let's make established in the year 2020 text italicized by creating an established class selector and giving it a font style with the value set as italic. You won't find the text changed as italic yet. To find out why, watch my next video. So folks, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll catch you in the next one.